Cheese. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have a special guest joining us. Say hey, little man. This video is just going to show a curly hair review using all Cantu hair products. So I'll take you guys step by step how I use them, and you guys leave any questions, comments, concerns below. So let's get right into it. Bye.
So first I start off using Cantu Natural Hair Cleansing Cream Shampoo. So I pretty much use about 2 handfuls of this product because your girl got a lot of hair, okay? So then I go ahead and use the Hydrating Cream Conditioner. And again, we're going to double up with about 2 handfuls. Okay guys, so now that my hair is completely washed and brushed out, I'm going to start applying these styling products. So to start, I use the Cantu Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. I absolutely love this product. I use it every day and it is amazing. So next I use the Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. I only use a little bit of this product. It has more of a gel consistency, but it really helps lock in my curls and give them that hold. So now that the products are fully in my hair, I'm gonna leave it to air dry for about maybe 20 minutes or so. I'll be back with the results. Okay guys, so I'm back. This is the final look. It's definitely been over 20 minutes because my hair took forever to dry, but I do really like the results. I feel like my curls are very defined and they feel very weightless. They're not too crunchy or anything like that. I feel like they're very loose and flowy, which I like. Definitely recommend using the Cantu Leave-In Conditioner Cream. This is by far my favorite Cantu product, my favorite curly hair product ever. I feel like this works wonders on your hair. So no, this isn't sponsored. I wish it was, but it's not. If you were to use any of the Cantu products, definitely use the Cantu Leave-In Conditioning Cream. It's only like $5. All their products are only like $5, so they're very cheap, very inexpensive. So yeah, I definitely recommend using them, and they all smell good too, so you can't beat that. If you have any other questions, concerns, or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.